Welcome. In front of me is an HMD XR21, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once the content is visible on your screen, all you need to do is hold the power button along with the volume down at the same time. You'll have the flash along with a pop-up with share and edit options visible for a brief moment. After a moment passes, this disappears. So to find the screenshot that I've captured, you can now navigate to Photos, Library, Screenshots, and here you can see there is not this one, this one. Here's a screenshot that I've captured. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.